What I wish I knew at my first rave instead of my last. The Viking Hoover dance is here to blow your mind. Picture this. A neon-lit dance floor, beats dropping hard, and in the midst of it all, a Viking warrior with a Hoover. Our hero, Bjorn the Brave, doesn't just conquer lands, he conquers dust bunnies. With every strobe light flash, he pushes that Hoover like it's Mjolnir itself. Partygoers stop and stare, mesmerized by the epic combo of ancient might and modern cleaning tech. Who knew vacuuming could be this legendary? So next time you hit the club, channel your inner Viking, grab a Hoover and make those dance moves sparkle. Remember, in the land of neon and beats, only the bravest warriors clean while they dance. Party on, modern Viking.